Going a video, so this Dell need the one charge. You say AC adapter type. Follow up here, you say unknown, and as a result, the machine this so no go charge. So we'll go for open them, strip them, fix them, make it charge. We go get busy. Stay tuned as we do. Now Dell na Dell Inspiron 15. Dell Inspiron 15, you know the charge. We'll get busy. We go strip them. And now for this take out the batteries for this Dell. You just push this thing this side, and then you can pull the batteries from here. That's how you can take out the batteries for this model, and then you can replace it or put another one. Now to take out the RAM, to change the RAM, you open this side. How to open the RAM side? You open this side, and then the RAM is right there. You can change your RAM or your drive. Let's get busy with stripping the entire machine down. Take off the keyboard. We will start with physical inspection for see whether something there wrong. Physical inspection. Run strip and down today on physical inspection. The machine not the charging port. We check charging port, they're good. So but the machine not the dictate charger. So I will show you the problem. Stay tuned as we fix them. We will start with a multimeter because we go for test voltages, and I will show you some transistor we don't die. We don't repeat it. We don't pyong. Where is my tweezer? Tweezer. Yeah, it's fine. I position it. Thank you. Now this is the old transistor, this is the old diode, power diode, that's a new power diode. Let's test the machine. Motherboard. Now here, you see as it show now 65 watts. 65 watts, so the machine will then charge. We will then close them. We'll close them now, see as it is. Closing time, we're closing the laptop.
My voice, you had it there.
You don't want the voice here? You want me to delete your voice? Don't finish, we'll put all things together. We run boiler that machine. That machine they show 65 AC adapter, 65 watts. So all thing they check, it go charge now nicely. We could see as it go start then charge. We could see now if you unplug charger, see as it stay. That means say battery is charge now properly. Sharp. Thank you for watching. If you never subscribe, make sure you subscribe so that you know good losses. This light today here stable. Also, whether light may be there that time. So if you never subscribe, make sure you do so for this channel, not to miss out. Because now you the losses. As you never subscribe, so you the over loss. You need to see if I'm finding them.